Hello guys, welcome to Say Shadow Lessons. Please, after watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share these videos. Right. So, as for this lesson, I am going to explain on joint variation as a third type of variation we have in mathematics. All right. So, I'm sure I've explained well on inverse variation. Right, so under joint, it is given that D, this one is D, right? It is given that D varies jointly, right? Whenever we are saying jointly, we need to say we are now dealing with three variables. The first variable is affecting the second two variables with their constant, right? So it is given that D varies jointly as E squared and F. All right, we are dealing with three variables now. First variable, second variable, third variable, and a constant will be the fourth variable. All right, which is different from dealing with direct variation. Probably direct variation is two variables. Then the third variable it will be constant. Then inverse, two variables. The third variable will be a constant, right? So it is given that D varies jointly as E squared and F, right? So let's first attack the first part. Right? It is given that D varies jointly. So we are saying for the first part. Remember, first of all, we want to write the formula connecting D, E, and F. We are not given the constant to use, right? We are not given the constant to use, all right? So what you have to do is we are saying for the first part is 3A item 1. We are just saying, but probably we want to find the constant because we are given these variables. The variables, whenever we are given three variables, the variables which are given, same time with the question, they are used to find a constant. They are used to find a constant. All right, treat me correct here, right? So we are saying for D, remember D is jointly. We're saying D varies jointly as I can just say E squared F. All right, but we are not given or we are not told which constant we're going to use. You can introduce the constant at your own. I can say let a constant be. Let a constant be K. Yes, you are in love with K, right? So let a constant be K, right? So we are now eliminating this variation sign and introduce a constant. It becomes D is equals to K E squared F, right? This one is a formula connecting D, E, F, and a constant K. But remember, we want the formula connecting or the formula for D in terms of E and F. So you don't want to see any constant here, right? So let's now find the constant using the given variable. These variables that they are given to find the constant, right? So we are given D as 5. Let me use this black mark. 5 is equals to K is unknown. Then E we are given as 3, but 3 squared, then times 2, right? 5 is equals to give us 9, 2K. So 5 is equals to 18K divided by 18. 3 squared, 9 times 2, 18. 9 times 2, 18 is K is equal to 5 over 18. So the formula connecting becomes D is equals to 5 over 18 E squared F. That's the formula connecting D, E, and F. All right. Constant BK. All right, let's now attack the second part. The value of D when E is equals to 2 and F is equals to 3. So we are using the formula we managed to obtain here. We are using that formula for the rest of the questions. So G is equals to 5 over 18 E squared F, right? Want to find the value of G. So G is equals to 5 over 18 multiplied by E, which is 2. 2 squared multiplied by F, which is 3. So D equals 5 over 18 multiplied by 2 squared will give us 4 times 3. Remember, this 3 can enter into 18. 3, 6, 9. I mean 6 times. 6 here. Then divide by 2 to get 2. Divide by 2 to get 3. So G equals 5 times 2 times 1 over 3 and over 3 rest. So G equals 5 times 2, which is 10, times 1, which is 10. It's 10 over 3. So D equals 3 into 10, which is 3 wholes, 1 over 3. That's the value of D. Like I said before, after watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, right? So enjoy this video.